In this lesson, we're going to be talking about Dradis, or the Dradis framework. Dradis framework is a tool that gives us the ability to put data from a number of sources into one location to make it easier to investigate possibilities with regards to the networks and systems that we're testing. You can see here I'm on the Dradis framework website and gives you an idea of what Dradis is, and here is a list of the tools that they actually support. So we've got Burp Suite, we've got Nexpose and Nessus, Nikto, Nmap, and the W3AF, the Z-Attack proxy. So there's a number of different tools that it supports the output from, and we can take that output and we can put it into Dradis, and we've got one place that we can store all of the information, which makes correlation easier. When you're doing a complex scan of a network or a number of systems, you really want a place where you can correlate all of your data and be able to see what you've done and what you still need to do. Now, the tools themselves have output, but when you're doing a lot of manual testing to go along with those tools, as you will, you need a place to store your notes. Dradis is a great place for doing that. Dradis creates a Ruby on Rails server, and it's an application that's written in Ruby on Rails. So you can see this is the Dradis package. I've downloaded the tarball, I've extracted it, and this is what's in there. And if we go into the server directory, you can see there's a number of different directories and files in there. You can see we've got a rake file and a gem file. Those go along with being a Ruby on Rails application. So the very first thing I need to do is I need to run this script reset. And what reset's going to do is it's going to make sure that we've got all of the dependencies that Dradis actually needs to run. So you can see there's a number of Ruby gems or Ruby packages that we don't have installed. You can see at the top here it says the following gems are missing. So I'm going to say, yes, I want to download and install them. It's going to go grab all of the gems. It's going to do the installation. And once it does the installation, we can actually get Dradis up and running. And at that point, we'll take a look at using some notes and importing data with Dradis. So right now, I'm just going to let all of this run and get all of the dependencies installed. And then coming up, we'll take a look at doing notes and importing data.